Hey, Mo here, how you doing? Want to do a quick walk around video on our clean and sanitize package. This is ideal for the current times, whether we got bird flu, smallpox, what's this new one, corona? Yeah, I can remember that name. I better shut this other machine down so I can talk. We're getting ready to roll out a bunch of equipment because he who has a brain will clean the exterior of their properties and sanitize it. I get such a kick watching these guys all T-vexed up in their suits, and they're walking in and they're trugging right through whatever the heck's on the ground. Read about it. All the bacteria that transmits viruses and gum is all on that concrete surface where they're doing the drive-through testing, where there's drive-through testing, hospitals. I visited a friend before all this mayhem up to the local hospital. It'd be like you of something. Oh my God, I was trugging through stuff in this parking garage. Holy crap. Why don't they have me take my shoes off when I get in the place? So we're calling it cleaning the barrier. I'm going to show you how quick and easy this is. We currently have enough equipment to supply the world. No, I wish we did. I kind of joke about things, but this is serious times. So this is a serious piece of equipment to do the job. I'm going to show you how it works. This is the setup. We'll do a quick walk around. It's got its own mobile water tank, hot water heater. As I read it, proteins and viruses break down at 140 degrees. These will easily run up to 185, even more. Safety-wise, we want to make sure that you're conscious of how water can burn, wear the right gloves, the right protective material. This is by no means a comprehensive, cleanup compliant video, but common sense would tell you to wear a respirator. Wear a respirator. That's some of that corona coming up from breakfast. I shouldn't joke, but this is serious. I am a joking nature guy. That's what's got me through 35 years of ups and downs in this world building this equipment. So you got to do that. But what this is you've got a mixing tank on the back. You can mix whatever cleaning agent you're using. I'm thinking Clorox, some sort of SH as they call it, and not sodium hydroxide. It's sodium hyperchlorite, which is bleach. Wearing the proper gear to mix. Make sure you protect your eyes and your hands and make your mix in the tank to whatever is recommended for the job site. I've read where 1 cup of bleach in a gallon of water works really well as far as sanitizing. Now there's other types of cleaning agents. Zep has a good one. I'm putting a plug in for Zep. Home Depot should have it. Sam's Club, I like their sanitizer as well. Let's get to the point. This is a pre-spray system where you can pre-spray, let the sanitizer work, and then go over it with the hot water in a 2-step approach. By pre-spraying a product, I'll show how this works. A sanitizer. This I've got set up with some Dawn dish soap in it. I'm going to pull this out. We'll go up and we'll sanitize the entrance to our building right there. That's on there pretty good. Did a good job. Is that enough? Just about. Always get a little extra. I really like this sanitizer from Sam's Club. I don't know about availability, but you'd want to use something. I'm going to kick this on. I've got a nozzle in there. We're going to go up here and then we're going to run our exclusive 3D cleaner. So I'm going to lay this sanitizer out. I like this approach better than just hitting it with the washer. Hit it with the washer, you're creating a vortex in the air, which you could easily aspirate. This is low pressure applicator, and using a surfactant in with a bleaching agent will also help give it that foam density to help it hang on and lower the amount of splashback. See how that hangs? And it also gives it dwell time to work. So your efficacy is a lot better. let's go through. We're going to kind of show how that works. If this was an entrance, a loading dock, a back loading dock or something like that at a hospital or a property, this is how you properly sanitize. I see the guys in China, and God bless them, they're humans and all that, with these little pumpers, and they're all going around like this. Man, that's old school. This is the 2020s, man. Let's show you how to do it. So we're gonna lay this out. See how that lays out nice, and it's got a nice surfactant in it. Make sure your surfactant is compatible if you're mixing it with bleach. That's really important. Because if you mix it with the wrong material, you can really create problems. I'll kind of cover that. We're going to sanitize our grill. We're doing a little grilling since the restaurants are closed. I've never been so upset. They closed the local, it's called Chuckarama. You can Google it. What a place, man. It's a buffet. I asked, can I still get takeout at the buffet? Man, I've never been so heartbroken. All right, let's get back to some serious business. I mean, look how this lays out. But I could do 10,000 square feet an hour. Imagine if you had 2 of these back to back, you could sanitize a hospital in an hour. If you had me working, I like to work. All right, let's get this. We're gonna have Freddie run the surface cleaner. Look at that, we got all them germs. Look at that, isn't that nice? Freddie, let's fire up the surface cleaner. We got Freddie here. Now, you could take a wand and power wash. That's fine. I'll show you how the power wash works. Now, here's your heat control. You can see the heater fire off right there. Now we'll clean this little area right here. I'll blow it that direction. And then we'll show you what a surface cleaner will do. Now this is 4,000 PSI of hot water. See how that's still hanging? Tell me that isn't 100% clean. I can't prove it, but looks good to me, man. Okay, now I want to take the surface cleaner. I want to hook it up. I'll let that pressure off. We're going to hook up the surface cleaner and I'll show you the difference. Now we just cleaned right there. After we rinse, I'll show you the difference of what a 3D surface cleaner does. I guess I'll do the work. It's just backwards. Isn't that guy supposed to be doing the work? No, I like doing the work. Give me some power. See, there's the difference. Let's show the underside of this. Now look at the difference right here. This is what we're talking about. Even though you power washed right here, look at the difference with this cleaner. That's one quick pass. Right? Kind of shows the difference there. Call us anytime. Between 8 and 5, we're open. Or shoot us an email to Powerline Industries, sales, S-A-L-E-S, at powerlineindustries.com. We'll see what we can do to help your project out. Let's take care of these infection problems, get back on our feet. All right, take care.